Okay, now let's go ahead and do a challenge problem. Go ahead and pause the video and I'll be waiting with the answer when you hit play. Okay, so what you want to do in a situation like this is break everything apart. So we got 160, the cube root of 160, and my x to the fifth, I'm going to write that out 5 times. And then we've got this y right here as well. So again, 160, x to the fifth means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then we have just a y here. Keep in mind there's invisible times signs there and there as well. Okay, the next thing you want to do is take this here and break it down like we did in one of our previous lessons. So I'm going to start with 16 and 10. And I'm going to go with 5 and 2. And then my 16 here, we'll break that one down as well. Okay, so I'm going to give you a second to just look at everything I've got up there at this point in time. So again, the 160, we broke that down as well. And at this point in time, we're really only concerned with the underline. So just ignore the 160, the 16, the 10, the 4, and the 4. Over here, we're going to view all these like these are underlined as well. So these are already broken apart. So now this number right here, this 3 is telling you to find groups of 3. So right here, for instance, we have a group of 3. And right there as well, we have another group of 3. This group right here is going to turn into a 2. And I'm going to go ahead and erase a lot of this stuff that we don't need at this point, just so you can follow me a little bit easier. Okay, so this right here is going to turn into a 2. This here is going to turn into an x. Everything that's left over we're going to put behind. And now we're just going to multiply everything together. So we got 2 times x. That's going to give you 2x. And we're going to go ahead and multiply 2 times 2 times 5. So it's going to give you 20x to the second y. And we're going to put that all inside of a cube root. If you manage to get that, you're doing some college algebra.